Look, there's this user that is named Billy the Fridge, and he said he wants to fight Leafy, but somehow Leafy tried to go find him or the place that Billy wants to meet Leafy at, but nope, he wasn't there. Why? And then he made this other video called Leafy is Here, I Think I Finally Snapped, and it has 11,000 dislikes. I am like, wait, why? Just, no. Why, Billy the Fridge? Why are you doing this to Leafy? He doesn't deserve this kind of treatment. It's like you don't find someone at the location that you want to meet them at, and then that's where Billy the Fridge ended up. So get this, Billy. If you ever do this to Leafy yet again, you are done. I'm so reporting you, done.